Come back tomorrow if you want to make more. We could use a good pair of fists like yours around here.
Stranger things have happened.
Bro, that was insane. You wrecked those guys. Like, total surgical violence back there. Like, I mean...
You cost me a lot of money. Hand over the cash.
Can we speed this along? I'm late for a meeting.
I can take it.
Don't get up, boys. I'll see myself out. Getting there with the auction fee. Almost.
Keeping a low profile?
Yeah, needed to work out.
Well, don't mind me.
All you have to do is hit all the targets.
I'm good for now. Brought my own.
Step up and try
Thanks.
your luck. All you have to do is hit the target and walk away. Ah, changed your mind. You ready to try and win the big cash prize?
I'll play.
All right, here we go. Remember, you need to hit all the targets. Can't do that again. Very nice shot.
Look back. I won.
Filthy tourist. You think I hand anything over to you?
Basim, pay him. Rules are rules.
I was about to. Here. Take it.
Really is one big, beautiful prize. Gentlemen. Not bad, James. Not bad at all.
Knives off.
Just a little short of pretending I belong in that
Come
ocean.
see me, I grab a lance like Squire Max my right.
You should have seen the size of it. That rock.
like someone on a mission. I have materials, sell furniture, ready for go.
Hey, you. Want to make some easy money?
Don't mind me.
Fresh, Muffet, smooth, thick. Very dangerous if you've got a peanut allergy.
Watch yourself.
Like lambs to the slaughter. Walk straight over to Fatma. Do you accept this asset?
Got an itchy trigger finger and a sweet tooth.
Then you and I need to talk.
You can't come in.
Yeah, no problem. Must be something I can use to convince him.
Fresh parts straight from the pilot on the autobahn. From the scrapyard to the street, only the best deals on auto parts can be found here.
Out of the way.
Kill quick, kill clean. Some of my incredible.
Original copies of your favorite.
Hey, tourist. Over here. Step up and try it again.
All right. I'll bite. What's the catch?
No catch. Just guess correctly and win this. Jahari. What many people consider to be one of the most prized jewels here in Aleph. Trust me, you walk away with this, your life changes forever, my friend.
Is that so?
It's the truth. And all you have to do is guess correctly.
You know what? I'm feeling lucky.
The tourist is feeling lucky, everyone.
Middle cut?
Ah, unlucky. Maybe next time. You won't find any tricks over here. Step up and try it again. Once, you walk away rich.
Just need to get through.
Lose once. Well, just try again. Come on, you know you want to. I bet you're not quicker than me.
Let's give it another go.
All right, you know the rules. Guess the cup correctly and walk away with the jewel of Jahari.
Let's do this. Middle cut?
What? I don't understand. How did you do that?
No catch, eh? Jewel. Arden. Hand it over.
No! No way! You cheated! You set me up!
Give me the jewel.
Is there a problem here, Adan?
No problem, gentlemen. In fact, my new friend here was just about to let me collect my winnings. Isn't that right, Arden?
Yeah, that's right. Go on, take it.
I can feel my life changing already. I should take this to Namala. See what it's worth to her.
I'll make you weep. Back again, Peacock.
Peacock?
It's the shirt. So, what can I do for you this time?
Somebody ordered the Jewel of Jahari.
You got it back for me,
I got it back for you.
and I said I'd pay. Here, you earned it. How did Adan take it when you beat him at his game?
He didn't, but he'll get over it. Eventually.
I'll see you soon. Doesn't matter what it is. You bring it and I will. Hurry, I've got cash. Come over here and let's make a deal.
Need extra horsepower, you've come to the right place. Come, take a look at the collection of auto parts on offer today.
Vanilla, drop, silenced or semi-automatic. I stock it all. Hey, tourists. I can tell by that look in your eye, you're not here for dessert. There's plenty of food back here. Come over and rest.
Yalla, yalla, come. Want to look sharp and stylish while shooting from the hip?
Fresh mafe, made with pure walnuts and zero medicine.
And I'll even throw in a fake.
Don't do that here, okay? Just take a hike.
Take it easy, will you?
Hey, I've got something over here that belongs to you. Ah, looking for something to go with that fancy shirt of yours. I think I have just the thing. The Osato 8 SMG. Fresh shipment. Just came in today.
I'm good. Brought my own. And it does the job.
Then you should go see Basim at the shooting gallery. Try your hand at winning some of that big prize money. Just follow the weapon stalls and you'll find him right behind you. Tell him Yero said.
Maybe I will. Thanks, Yellow.
Good luck, tourist.
Clean his kills out.
That was worth a shot.
You blind or something?
Original auto parts in the best deals in Aleppo are here.
Let's go see.
Watch your step in here, James.
I have no clue what just happened.
It's Basim. Everyone knows that shooting gallery of his is rigged. Nobody's ever beaten it. And you should have known not to hand money over to that cowboy. Let's see.
Hello?
Let's see.
Is that?
Take command to dispatch the reinforcements.
It's gonna be crazy. We need people.
For Christ's sake, somebody get him!
Watch out. Let me rip them apart.
I'll make sure. Pick up. We're dealing with maniacs. Send help. Yes, you know where we are. Don't let him run.
Identify yourself, now! Jesus Christ, what's your deal? Speak.
Somebody call the back. Patron, we've got a situation. Send right on the mark, you savage. I got chance. I'll shoot. I could do this all day. Right on the mark.
I can't win.
I've got you. Last shot. I'll shoot.
Huh?
Identify yourself immediately. No. Just scary stories parents like to tell the local kids to keep them in check. Now, the ones about the girls, those ones are all very true.
Girls?
What was that? What could that have been? That was strange.
Girls? Sounds like fun.
Trust me, they're not.
Yeah, I'd buy it. Bavma's planning to build a whole city out here in the desert.
Come here! What the hell?
Nobody talks anymore. Moneypenny, I grabbed a burner phone and some intel on that deal. Buyer's name, Forsted. The exchange is supposed to take place at a container yard here in Aleph. You see if you can find anything else on him.
On it. Any more job?